Do you want to eat hot pot today? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking hot pot. We're going to have one side that's not spicy and one side that's spicy. And I'm going to show you a little bit of everything that we put into it. The great thing about hot pot is you can do whatever you want with it. So if you like vegetables, you can just use vegetables. If you are a pescatarian, then you can just eat shrimp or fish. But if you're like me and you like everything, then you can put everything in it. Let's get started.
So for hot pot, all you really need is a pot, some soup, protein, and veggies, and it's really up to you. What I have is fish tofu, some dried fried tofu, as well as firm tofu. I love tofu. And then we have some ramen for the carbs, as well as bok choy for veggies. I'll list everything in the description box below so that it'll be easy for you, but everything can be catered up to your taste. I have some cabbage as well, and pumpkin. And I love, love, love corn. I also have some sliced beef, pork, and shrimp for protein.
Okay, so we've cut up and cleaned everything. Now let's get into prepping the actual soup base. So I have unsalted chicken broth from Progresso. You can use any kind of broth you'd like, pork, vegetable. You can make your own. ASMR. Okay, so for the non-spicy side, we're gonna do tom yum. This one is the Thai tom yum instant hot and sour paste. You can find any brands at your local Asian market. You can also find a link in the description below on where to find this one. It depends on really your taste. I'm just gonna wait for this to boil. I'm so excited, I'm so hungry. I think the longest part of hot pot is just setting everything up, and then when you're eating, everything is so fast. So for this side, it's going to be the spicy side, and I have this hot pot soup spicy sauce that is, anyway, so I will link in the description box below to see, to find this, but this has more of like a chili flavoring, so it'll be much more spicy than this side. This one has no MSG. I'll just add half of it for now to see how that is first before I add it all. Alright guys, so for hot pot what you do is pretty much you take your meat, you dip it in, and then you cook it after it boils. And then you eat it with tea. So you can use any kind of like carb you want. I really like having rice or having instant ramen with it. A lot of people like rice, so what I do is I just open up these packages and put the noodles in. I like to wait until after I cook some veggies and some protein so I can eat it with it. And for the sauce, I have this Chinese barbecue sauce. You can use sauté sauce, hoisin sauce, sriracha, whatever you like, but I really prefer like Chinese barbecue sauce. So I'll show you how we eat it in a second once that boils. Alright, so I have my sauce. The soup is about to boil. So what you do is, so I'm going to just grab a little bit of ghee. Just one. And then you dip it in. And the spicy side. Good. Dip it in some sauce. Well done. And that's it. Hotpot. Thanks guys for watching. If you want to see us eat and chat about some topics with my friends, go on the next channel and we're going to be eating this over there. Thanks for watching, guys.